Have you ever dreamed of making $500 in just one day through smart investing? Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you that it's not only possible, but achievable by following a proven strategy used by Tesla stock millionaires? Join me today as I put this strategy to the test and attempt to make $500 in a single day trading Tesla stock. I've always been fascinated by the idea of earning real money through the stock market, and Tesla stock has been one of the most exciting yet unpredictable stocks out there. With its wild price swings and massive market interest, Tesla presents a unique opportunity for those who know how to navigate the volatility. One news article, a tweet from Elon Musk, or a quarterly earnings report can cause the stock price to surge or crash within hours. This means analyzing charts, spotting trends, and using technical indicators to find your entry and exit points. I've relearned that having clear goals and sticking to a plan prevents emotional decisions that often lead to losses. Instead, I set stop-loss orders to protect my capital, diversify my investments, and avoid betting too much on any single position. I spend time analyzing stock charts, studying candlestick patterns, and watching for key signals that tell me when to jump in or get out. Tesla's stock price can shift dramatically based on product launches, earnings calls, global economic changes, or even new government policies. Staying informed helps me anticipate these moves and adjust my strategy before the market reacts. Trading isn't about guessing. It's about making data-driven decisions based on market behavior. By following this approach, you give yourself a better chance of making consistent profits and achieving your financial goals. This way, even if a trade goes against me, I live to trade another day. It takes time to master the skills, but once you do, the results can be life-changing. I'm excited to continue refining this strategy and seeing where it takes me. Whether the stock is going up or down, having a strategy allows you to navigate it with confidence. And I'd love to hear from you. What's your experience with Tesla stock? Have you tried trading it before? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. That's why it's so important to stay informed and react quickly. First, it's having a strong grasp of market trends and technical analysis, understanding how to read charts and spot opportunities. Second, it's building a solid risk management plan, protecting your capital so you can keep trading another day. Third, it's staying disciplined, patient, and continuously learning. Earning $500 a day doesn't happen overnight. It takes practice, preparation, and a willingness to keep improving. This includes understanding market sentiment, applying technical analysis, and most importantly, managing your risk. Being able to exchange ideas, learn from others' experiences, and share strategies has helped me improve faster than trying to figure it all out alone. Trading can feel lonely, but being part of a group keeps me motivated and accountable. Tesla's volatility can either make or break your account, and without strong risk management, the losses can outweigh the gains. A solid strategy gives you the confidence to act decisively in fast-moving markets. Today I'm sharing a strategy I've studied and refined, inspired by the techniques of Tesla stock millionaires, showing you how I plan to use it to try and make $500 in just one trading day. Making $500 a day may sound like a fantasy, but with the right strategy, it's a realistic goal. The Tesla stock millionaire strategy is built around the idea of embracing Tesla's volatility, rather than fearing it. I wasn't sure when to buy or when to sell, and honestly, the fear of losing money was overwhelming. But after diving deep into market analysis and learning from some of the smartest investors in the game, I realized that the key was in avoiding volatility was learning how to use it to my advantage. I stopped guessing and started applying strategies based on market data and trends. While most investors run away from stocks that swing wildly up and down, this approach teaches you how to ride those waves and turn market movements into profit opportunities. It all starts with understanding how Tesla stock behaves and preparing for both its highs and lows. In the beginning, I was intimidated by Tesla's price swings. Tesla stock is notorious for its sudden jumps and drops. So what's the secret? The first step is mastering when to buy and sell. The millionaire strategy goes beyond just stock picking. It's about building a complete system for trading. Risk management is truly the heart of this strategy. I never risk my entire portfolio on one trade. Identifying the right entry and exit points is also crucial. Another key part of the strategy is staying up to date on market news. And honestly, Having a community of fellow traders has been incredibly valuable. So what are the core pillars of this millionaire strategy? In summary, the Tesla stock millionaire strategy is about harnessing Tesla's volatility, managing your risk, and making informed decisions based on data, not emotions. The potential of this strategy is real, but success doesn't come without effort. If you're interested in learning more about stock trading and the strategies that successful investors use, check out my other videos where I dive deeper into these topics.